In this first chapter of Economy Half an Hour, work with which Carlos and I start a series of 6 comics on financial education, 3 main characters are introduced: Andrea, Basilio, and Carlos, whose initials form Economy's ABC. The chapter's idea is to show that economy is not a science located out of young people's reality. As a matter of fact, we are continuously deciding how to administer our scarce resources because of the huge gap between them and our needs. This need to administer, to choose, is what constitutes the object of economy. The number of people, including economists, who cannot define economy is surprisingly high. In the schemas, economy is presented as the science of election which values the consequences of the different ways of administering our scarce resources. They are scarce in the sense that we have more needs than resources. From the relationship between products and resources, we end up with the concept of efficiency, or the art of taking advantages of resources, which is a key concept in economy. We see it in the example of the apples Andrea and Basilio peel. Andrea is much more efficient than Basilio, thus obtaining more wealth out of raw materials. It's interesting asking oneself why this happens. Is she smartest? Has she a better technique? Is her knife better? Is she more serious about it than Basilio? Is she hungrier? It is important to verify that muscle loses value every day against the brain. We are in the era of the economy of knowledge, where the intangible side of products is more valuable than the raw materials they are made of. Lastly, the triangle of knowledge shows us the relationship among 3 key concepts: education, innovation, and R&D.